Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today Matt Builds. Today I'm going to carry on with Peter's Apache helicopter. So I'm going to carry on from stage 86. This will be part 2, and to get this rotor finished, well, parts that need to go on for the rotor. So yeah, with that said, let's get on with the build. Well, as you can see, this is as far as I got. I did put the top part on of this rotor on because I got the pins which I needed. Now I need to attach this part here onto here. It'll be going something like that, making sure the screw holes all line up. So from the look of it, I need to get that down here. I need to get it right in. I think they all line up because they all look the same. Just need to find that other hole. Now that's moved because this has got to be central. And the pin needs to go in there before I do that. Somehow it just seems to be all coming away, this. Yeah, it's all coming away, it's all fallen. Because that's got to go in there. That needs to be down here. Something is knocked it out. Because the pin has got to be attached to this. And I did put a pin in there. Right. Okay, I need to get a pin in there. I think the other one's come out. I'll be glad when this rotor's done. So I need to get that up here. This is very, very awkward. Pins come out with pliers. Right. And then it'll probably fall down again. Just get it in here in a minute. Get that pin in there a little bit. Like that. It's gone in too far now. pin out. Again, just keeps dropping down. Oh, just bear with me a minute, guys, while I get this sorted out. Right, guys, I've got it sorted out. It's all sorted. So what I need now is 2, 4, 6, 8 FP screws. I've already put one in, so I'll get the others out. One spare. To be honest with you, it should have been a metal plate. So I'll put one in this corner here. And we'll soon find out if it holds. Because from the look of it, I don't think these screws are long enough. And they're in the right place. It's got to be very careful, don't get damaged, because it's very, very fragile, this. Oh. I would have thought they'd give you longer screws than these. That one's just turning, it's not even touching the thread, reaching the thread. Look at this, they're a bit awkward. Right, let's try this one here. It's all come away again, it's all coming away, this centrepiece. Yep, the screws have come out, it's all fallen to bits, not very good. There, so I'm going to have to glue these on. Get that glued, even though you're not supposed to glue them, but with them keep coming away, you've got no option half the time. Because I don't want this falling apart. Right, let's try that again. It's finding... this needs to be held into place. Not very good. No, it's not even touching it. It's just turning. It's got to be down there. It's got to be held into place. Right, no problem. See if I can hold that in place. That's the only thing I can do. is hold that in place so I can get these screws in. Press that down. It's not even touching the thread. Really, these should have been longer screws. It's not even going in. And it's in the right place. I just need to... Right, let's get hold of this. Let's see if I can get it in there like that. Get it in the middle. Hold that. Nope. Right, hang on a minute guys, sorry about this. Right guys, the last screw is going in. I've managed to do it, even though it kept on falling apart, and it still is in a way. Well, that's all the screws in there. It's mainly these here in the corner that keep coming away. So that is that on, thank God. Let's see what's next. I already done this piece here, put the wires in there, from 2 wires there, and we've still got another 2 to go in, wherever they are. I did put them out on the bench, they're on there somewhere. I don't know where they are. Now we need HC6N. Okay guys, stage 87. Let's get onto the picture. So wow, so we need this piece here. Make sure I've got this the right way. The two, it doesn't really make any difference. Just hope everything is in the right order. If not, then I'll have to strip it down and have a look. Let's just stand up for this. That in there. Like that. And that's going to be held in a minute. Now we need orientation. Well, it looks like it is. I think two there, which got the top like that. That goes like that. two there, two there, two. Okay. Screws. So it's 1, 2 screws here. One there. One there. That there. Put one in this corner here. I think this is the top part of the base completed. And this will be that. That one there, and that one there. I think this is the top of the base. I'm not 100% sure. So that is that done. So I didn't get a connector for there. I'm going to have to look for that. Okay, so that's that. Bring these over here. Another mobile platform. And these will be going in here like so, like that. So these will need gluing. If I can find the pin vise. Put my glue along here. Put it in there like that. Get t'other. put that in there, like so. Then put it along this end here. And here. On the top. Like that. That in there and put that in there like that. So that's like that. Brilliant. Now we need the platform. Here. Now whether that needs gluing or not I don't know, but I think I will glue it. Might use Tammy and extra thin cement. Put it along the edges. That's perfect. And the next one we need is this. So with that facing this way, this will be going here. On there, like so. And I'll get them glued in place. So I'll just put a dab of glue there, here. That like that. Make sure it's straight, because the next piece we're going to put on is this part here, which will be going here at the side of it. I'll get that glued into place as well. And then put some glue down the side so it holds it in place. So it holds it, in a way, it holds it straight. Right, so I'll get this in here. so. Just like that. And then the next one we need is this and this. It should be going on like so. So get this put on. Keep hold of that for a second so the glue takes. And there we have that one. That didn't take long to do. And that is stage 87 completed. Well guys, that was a bit of bit comical for me. That part that I thought they hadn't sent, the radar mount, you're not going to believe this. This is it. That part I found. It was in the box under the helicopter and I completely forgot all about this. So I've put them two pieces on there. Nothing's missing, thank God. So that and that, so this will probably be on top of that. I'm not 100% sure yet, but that's 2 stages done. I think the worst one was them rotors, trying to get them screws in underneath. Just wouldn't go in for some reason, and all of a sudden they did. You know, I must need my head testing, forgetting things that I'd already done and completely forgot all about. Because I checked it. The funny thing is, I did check in that box and I couldn't see it, and then I went back to the box after looking in the other plastic container, which is down there. It's got all the other parts in, and I've still got parts up there for the Apache, so they'll be getting attached eventually. Because in this stage 88, we're going to start attaching the wheels. That's going to be good. Let's hope they fit. I've crossed my fingers for. Well, anyway, guys, I'm going to get going. Got a lot to do today. So, if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. And, yeah, I can't remember what I was going to say now. Oh, yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. So, time to go in. So tomorrow I'll probably be doing a bit more on the Apache helicopter. I really need to get it finished now. I just hope that base, well, all that base is all put in the right order. I don't know how it's going to raise the Apache, because there's no holes in it unless it's something else. I'm going to have to check through the packs and find out. I'll look through the instructions. So, until tomorrow, guys, you all stay safe, take care. I'll see you then. Bye for now.